have a few questions. Where did you find 3,000 liters or 4,000 liters of fuel? And who has denied you information regarding fuel? Also, how come no data is being provided to you? This you publish in your mail. Now you take the hard disk, you format the hard disk. How are we supposed to find the data?
See, we are asking there are two things. There are two things. Related to hard disk also. When the accident happened.
Boss, I am telling you something. Is there any mention in your report about you deleting the data? Please tell me the name of the person who has denied information about fuel to you. Please tell me the name of the person.
That is the reason we are telling you.
What? No, you have already published it in your report. It's in the newspaper. So I am just asking you, who is the person who has denied information regarding fuel to you?
See.
And also because I don't know, there must be still some CCTV data. I want to find 3,000 to 4,000 liters of fuel over here. Where is the fuel? Did you find?
I show the photos.
Yeah, okay, show the photos.
Yes, sir.
Also, where did you even mention UL91 fuel? You have taken fuel samples from RBT and RBC.
I have mentioned no fuel and this one. We have taken the sample.
Yes.
We no need to say details. It is a preliminary.
No, but
if you are telling,
No,
this one,
but
let me complete it, then you can
yes.
whatever we have published, it is a preliminary.
Yes.
And we have mentioned it is a
But
subject to change it.
Do you
We have mentioned
understand?
it.
Do you understand it is in newspapers also today? I can show you Times of India.
So,
today.
see,
So where
we have
it has
clearly
been-
whatever
you
the
have
information.
clearly asked DGCA to take action on Redbird
Correct.
based on false facts.
No, it is not false, sir. Let me.
What is not false fact? Is this letter there anywhere in that report?
Sir, I am not talking. We are talking about the
No,
government.
no, boss, we have written CCTV data. Very clearly you have written. Here. Please show the CCTV data. Where
We
it
are
is
talking
written.
about the government data.
No. Garment data also. We'll come to that also. Then here. Okay, you have also written that we have not given you login to the cloud server.
Yes.
Where is the cloud server?
Connected with the internet. We asked the username and password that time. For the but they say we don't have. It's only IT
Cloud
personnel.
server. It's a cloud server. Then you have written. Please read your own report.
I show it.
Please you read your own
Yes,
report,
sir.
what you have written here. And please tell me about this letter then.
See, we told you we confiscated, na? It is still under.
So now I will tell you one thing. Let us say there is a debate right now.
Okay.
Whatever you will do, there will be camera recording of that.
Okay.
Whatever you are taking from us, you will give us a letter.
I'm
This is
signing
what we are
it, I'm
taking.
signing
No.
it.
And whatever we will hand over to you under video.
Okay, no issue.
Very clear.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And this is very bad. It is very bad. Before publishing it, you should have written the facts more. This is absolutely denied.
See,
we will refute this report.
You can
No. The damage. Listen.
The
The damage you had to cause because of this report you've already caused. All the newspapers that are carrying this story because of false reporting and because of this botched investigation it will not be retracted again. Will you go to Times of India and tell them retract the story? We made a mistake.
No.
No. Will you go and tell them? So our damage is already done. You know what this will cause. This will cause delay of opening. No.
Let me tell you.
No, let us. I don't want to argue. Please take camera recording of everything. Everything will be done in writing. If you are giving SD card, you will write SD card number so and so, taken by so and so, handed over by so and so. If they want to write that any information is denied, he will write the name of the person. Following person was questioned. He denied the information. This nonsense has to stop.
Call me, yeah. Call him. I have the photos.
And if there is any food sample given, you have the ethanol tester, it will be recorded on video, ethanol will be tested and the sample will be given. Under video.